How to add an API endpoint in Lovable. In order to do that, the first thing we need to do is to head over to lovable.dev and then log in. Now, scroll down and locate in here the workspace that you wish to use. On my case, I'll choose in here this Market Mosaic. Click on this right here, and you should be able to see it right there. Now, what we can do is we just need to click onto this GitHub icon, click onto this Edit in VS Code, and then this should be able to open our web editor. Now, into this part, what we can do is we can just right click right here into this space, click onto this new file, and then let's name in here the new file something that we can actually use. Now, let's name it something like Lovable API Pi. Enter, and it will actually create it right here. Now, as you can see, we just need to install the particular option, which is the actual Python language. So make sure to install that right there. Once it's installed, head over and you can find or edit that particular file right there. Now, within that file, you can define Python functions that we need and represent your API endpoints through that way. You can declare dependencies and integrate it in the main server file. After this, you just need to integrate it with external APIs. You can use Snowball's integration features like Supabase for this part. So make sure as well that your project is connected to Supabase. Head over and click onto the Supabase option. Click onto Disconnect. Then after that, you can see Disconnect a project option. Once you have connected it, you should be able to find it right here. You can just configure the integration and utilize AI prompting of Supabase. Now into this part, you can just use webhooks like for example with make and then return a response through that way, and then you can find in here as well next the API documentation that you would want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.